Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I am your prosperity coach, all right? So I need you to like and share this video, and if you're already not subscribed, I need you to subscribe to this channel right here, right now, because I'm going to be bringing you some dope-ass videos, all right? So if you're landed on this video, you want to know what is a SEP IRA. Let me tell you, a SEP IRA is a simplified employee pension individual retirement arrangement. Okay, that's what the SEP IRA stands for. It is a self-employed and self-employee pension individual retirement arrangement. All right, so the SEP IRA is money that you can put into an account that's going to be tax deductible, right? So you don't have to owe the IRS. Let me tell you, this year I received a big old tax bill for $40,000 because I did not know about a SEP IRA. Had I known about a SEP IRA, I could have put up to $56,000 into that SEP IRA and it would have been tax deductible. All right, so you can put up to $56,000 into that SEP IRA for you and your employees. Okay, so for example, your employees, well, for yourself, you can put up to $56,000. For your employees, it has to be 25%, up to 25% of their income. So, for example, Mary works for you. You pay Mary $21,000. You are now able to put up to $5,250 into Mary's SEP IRA, and this will be tax deductible. All right. So for small businesses or for self-employed people, this is an amazing deduction that you can take. And I promise you, it will save you a lot of money. All right. A lot of money if you just put your money into the SEP IRA. So you'll also be having a tax deduction and you'll be saving for retirement. All right. So you will have to pay taxes on it in your retirement years. But the beautiful thing of it, friends, is that by the time that you're retiring, maybe in like your 60s or 70s, most people know 65 or something like that, you are in a different tax bracket, right? So if you're in a different tax bracket, then guess what? That's less taxes you would have to pay on the money than if you had got it and kept it in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s, right? So a SEP IRA is the way to go if you're looking for a way, and if you're self-employed and you're looking for a way to minimize your taxes, get a SEP IRA. All right, you do not want a big old tax bill like I had. All right, and so when you're deducting the money for your SEP IRA, if you're a sole proprietor, you want to use the 1040 or your Schedule C or Schedule F. If you're a partnership, you want to use the Form 1065. If you're a corporation like myself, I use Form 1120. All right, so that is how you take the deductions for your business. Okay, so get a SEP IRA, a simplified employee pension individual retirement arrangement. You can get it at any bank. Right, I have mine at Fidelity. I know that USAA has them as well. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase. A lot of banks have SEP IRAs, guys. You just got to look for the right one. And pretty much the one that fits your needs. And that's anyone, basically. They're all tax deductible no matter where you go. I guess I should say whatever bank fit your needs. Okay, whatever bank fits your needs, that is the place to get your SEP IRA. Just get it. Don't give the money away to the IRS when you can keep the money for yourself, minimizing your taxes simply by filing it on your taxes. Okay, so my name is Sabrina Wright. If you click the link at the bottom of this video, DIYsmartcredit.com, www.DIYsmartcredit.com, I will give you my free credit cheat sheet. Yes. And if you're a person that already saying, hey, Sabrina, I already got my credit together, that's still a way that you're going to get on my list. You can get more dope videos just like this, okay? And if you're ready just to get more information on investment strategies and how to minimize your taxes, you can click the link at the bottom of this video, all right? It should say Sabrina Wright, myecon.net. You can click on that, and that way you can get the education that you need that changed your life. All right, my econ changed my life. I wish I had known about it a year earlier, but hey, you have to pay for your mistakes, right? So I paid for my mistakes. Now I'm here sharing my mistakes with you guys so you don't make the same mistake, right? So if you want more of these videos, subscribe to this channel. If you want more of this education, I cannot stress education enough. The more you know, the less you owe. So if you want more of this education, go to that link at the bottom of this video that says Sabrina Wright, myecon.net, and go ahead and grab this education. And as soon as you get in, I'm going to see you and I will be contacting you, welcoming you aboard. All right. So I'm your prosperity agent. My motto is that you deserve to win, friends. So you deserve it. Bye-bye now.